Hello everyone, and today we're going to be making Blade from the Puppet Master. So what you're going to need for this project is some white fur and a black cat and some air drying clay. Then what you're going to need is some acrylic paints, well, actually the white, black, and gray acrylic paint with a paintbrush obviously, and these clay modeling tools. So I want to form his hand to a ball just like this. Oh, my nose is... Oh shit! Alright, so you're gonna form his head just like this. Well, actually the head looks like this, but who knows, maybe you're better clay modeler than I am. You're also gonna use the clay to form his shoes. And use a coat hanger for the hook for his right hand. And a plastic knife for his left hand. So I'm gonna paint the inside of his eyes black. And I also paint the shoes black. And paint the inside of his mouth gray because, well, that's actually his lips because Puppet Master sometimes has gray lips. So you're gonna glue the white fur onto his head just like this with some super glue. Okay, so it's the next day, so you want to add white primer paints to the hook and the plastic knife. After painting the front and back of the hook and knife, you can now spray paint it with some silver metallic paint. So now you can attach him to the hands with some clay. Okay, so now moving on to the coat and pants, you're going to need 2 pieces of cloth and a black t-shirt you don't use. But for now, we're going to be using the black t-shirt. Okay, so you should use a black t-shirt for this t-shirt. Okay, so you're going to mark the pants. Also, with making the pants, you got to make sure that it's wide enough to fit. Okay, now with the coat, you want to wrap the black fabric around the mannequin and mark the holes you'll be cutting it. So then you want to super glue this flap. And you're going to cut out the trace mark right there for the little triangle point from the suit. I don't even know what it is. Then you add this long thing. I don't know what it's called. It's probably a rain suit. I don't know either. So now you can add the sleeves to the coat just like that. So what I did for the sleeves, I just wrapped them around the mannequin's arm. And when making the sleeves, you gotta make sure that it's wide enough to fit around the arm when being taken off or off. So this part is optional, but if you want to add the flap behind the jacket, you can just cut half of a circle and glue it to the arms with some super glue. Now for the final touch, the hat. And you're finished.